He noticed strange noises coming from the apartment above. A man kept hearing loud bangs and whispers from the apartment above him at night. He assumed it was normal until he discovered unusual patterns and signs that something was off. He shared the story on Reddit, where users debated whether it could be a secret gathering, an illegal activity, or something supernatural. The tension escalated as neighbors got involved and authorities were contacted. People followed the story closely, discussing privacy, safety, and community responsibility. What would you do if you heard unexplained noises above your apartment?